In Singapore, this family home begins with memory. It stands on the site of an older bungalow. That earlier house once belonged to the same family. Neri&Hu designed the new residence for 3 adult siblings. The result is known as the House of Remembrance. The home covers about 1,185 square meters. It was completed in 2021. From the street, the building feels quiet and private. A steep pitched roof gives it a familiar domestic shape. That roof also helps the larger house appear more restrained. Behind the exterior, the plan opens toward a central courtyard. This idea is inspired by the traditional Chinese Siheyuan. In a Siheyuan, rooms gather around an open inner court. Here, the courtyard becomes the heart of family life. It is also a memorial garden for the siblings' late mother. The garden gives the house an emotional center. It also organizes the movement through the residence. The living room faces the courtyard. The dining area faces it as well. The kitchen and study remain visually connected to the same garden. Large glass walls strengthen this relationship. They bring greenery into the daily experience of the home. Natural light moves deep into the shared spaces. Cross-ventilation also supports a more comfortable tropical environment. The architecture feels open, but never exposed. Private rooms are placed on the upper level. The bedrooms sit beneath the steep roof forms. This helps the house keep its bungalow-like silhouette. Skylights bring daylight into the upper rooms. Large windows frame views toward the gardens. Balconies provide quiet outdoor retreats. 3 double-height voids connect the upper floor with the spaces below. These openings create visual contact between both levels. They also make the interior feel larger and more connected. At the entrance, the arrival sequence is carefully controlled. A sculpted opening in the roof frames a single tree. The garden is revealed only after this first moment. This creates a calm and memorable transition into the home. The material palette is equally thoughtful. Smooth concrete shifts into board-formed concrete across the exterior. That change adds texture and depth. It also recalls the character of the family's original house. Dark-framed glass contrasts with the pale timber inside. The overall mood remains calm, warm, and precise. This is not simply a large contemporary residence. It is a house shaped by memory, family, and continuity. Every major space turns back toward the courtyard. Every level stays connected to light, air, and nature. The House of Remembrance shows how architecture can hold the past. At the same time, it creates room for a family to move forward